Okay, in this tutorial we are doing this church flyer. Create a new page. So before that, like, share, subscribe. So insert our background from the gallery. Okay, we insert the church, the people in the church, the crowd from the church. This. We also import our gradients. Gallery, import our gradients. Okay, this look like this. Lock, but so it will not move. Okay, so we import our other gradient. This is like a blur. It's something like this. Move to the back. Start inserting our text. Copy. Add a new text. The name of the church. Okay. The Redeemed Christian Church of God. Yes. Okay. Drag. Reduce the size. Okay. 20 is okay. Centralize. Add the new text. Overcomers assembly. So we should make this 20. On the grid to make everything look aligned in a straight line. Yes. Present. Increase the size of this youth. Add the text fellowship. Increase the size. Add a new text featuring. Align it, make it in the center. Yes, central align. Continue to increase the size. Well, this is okay. We can increase it. Add the shape. Let's add a shape. Just a line. A line. Let's add it. This is okay. Centralize. Copy. Go to the central. Okay. Move a little bit down. Okay, this is okay. Let's change the font of this. Change the font. Reduce the size, line spacing, add the space in between the text. should be increase the line space. I think this is okay. So like this 20, 25 is okay. So let's start editing our text. Add the text, add the color to this text. Third Saturday, every third Sunday of the month. Read the size. Add the texture to this. A good background. So add texture to this text. This I don't like it. This. Let's change. Fellowship, should I like blue texture to this? A blue texture. Yeah, this background is okay. Add stroke to the text. So white. Reduce the size to 1. Change the font. Increase the size. Let's change the fonts. I think this is okay. Just leave it. Reduce it a little bit. Let's add something else. Come and be blessed. Come and be blessed. Okay, let's add it to this down part. Reduce the size, maybe like 10, 15. Let's add it. Let's change the font of this to okay, this is okay. Let's change the font of this youth. Okay, this is okay. Youth fellowship, music, dance, drama, prayer and war. Space in the center. Actually move it a little bit downward. Let's import the logo of the church. the logo of the church. Let's add our location. So we should create a location icon. Okay, you can easily create it, or you can import it if you have it in your phone or your gallery. But I'm going to create it. You can easily just import it if you have the icon on your phone. But I'm creating it from scratch. Merge together. Add your location. Yeah, I copied it already. So I'm just going to paste. Add the time and date. The time 9 o'clock a.m. Reduce the size. So add the date, August. Let's lock everything done so far. This shape is not one card here. Let's copy and drag it. Let's change the color of this. No. As texture. Don't like this. No. Okay, let's change the color to this. Let's change the color to blue, really light blue. This big blue is okay. I think this is good. Our flyer is looking good. Let's edit this. Okay. This is looking good. This is looking good. Okay, that's all. Let's save the design. Save as image. Ultra. Okay, so saving image. Okay, that's it. That's all. Very simple to do. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.